All right, so first thing you want to do is hold the sheet long ways and place your hands in both of the corners. Then you're going to pinch the inner corners of the sheet and flip it inside out. Next, you are going to switch hands and turn the sheet around. Right after that, you're going to place your hands back under the sheet into the corners. Now take your right hand and place it directly over your left hand. Now you're going to take your right hand and place it in that corner that your left hand was in and find the other corner with your left hand. Now you're going to repeat exactly what you just did. Take that right hand, place it over the left hand, and once you get that situated, place your right hand where your left hand was and find the other corner. So it should look like this. So the hard part is over. You want to lay the sheet on a flat surface, and the objective is to get this looking like a square. So straighten out all the corners and then fold that left corner over, and as you can see, it looks like a square. Fold the bottom up towards the middle and then fold it again, and make sure you straighten everything out. Turn it long ways, fold that to the middle, fold it one more time, and you are done. Beautiful.